Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Built with a vision for long term, sitting on a lot size of approximately 14,701 square feet with double frontages. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home situated in the middle to upper middle income community of Coopers Hill, Kingston, is perfect for the family or shrewd investor seeking to seize and make the most of opportunities. The lower level consists of two separate self-contained sections, a 1 and 2 bedroom respectively, which may be occupied as you complete the upper level and customize it to your own taste. Enjoy the mountain views and cool temperatures away from the hustle and bustle, yet close enough to all major amenities. The vendor has approved plans, which includes a third floor, which may be obtained at a small fee. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.